Clermont is known for its welcoming neighborhoods, scenic lakes, and growing communities. But with growth often comes more traffic, construction, and neighborhood activity, bringing noise that can disrupt the peace inside your home. Whether it's cars passing by, lawn equipment, or lively outdoor gatherings, many homeowners are now looking for ways to make their homes quieter. One of the most effective solutions is upgrading to noise-reducing windows. Here's what Clermont residents should know about the best options for reducing noise and improving comfort. Why noise reduction matters in Clermont. Clermont's neighborhoods are family-friendly and vibrant, but that often means more sound around your home. While some noise is expected, too much can affect your sleep, concentration, and overall comfort. If you work from home, a quieter environment is especially important. Standard windows, especially older single-pane designs, do little to block outside sound. Investing in noise-reducing windows makes your home a calmer, more enjoyable place without sacrificing the benefits of living in a lively community. Double-pane windows. The basic upgrade for many Clermont homeowners, replacing single-pane windows with double-pane windows is the first step in noise reduction. These windows have 2 layers of glass with an insulating gas, like argon, between them. Noise control. The dual layers act as a barrier, reducing outside sounds. Energy efficiency. They also improve insulation, lowering cooling costs in Florida's hot summers. Affordability. Double-pane windows are a cost-effective way to start minimizing noise. This upgrade alone can cut down significantly on neighborhood and traffic noise. Triple-pane windows. Maximum quiet if you live near busy roads, schools, or high-traffic areas in Clermont. Triple-pane windows provide even greater sound reduction. These windows include 3 layers of glass and 2 insulating chambers, making them highly effective at blocking noise. Superior soundproofing. They achieve higher STC, sound transmission class, ratings than double-pane options. Comfort. Triple-pane windows also provide excellent thermal protection, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Durability. Their advanced construction adds strength and long-term value to your home. Though more expensive up front, triple-pane windows are ideal for homeowners who want maximum noise reduction and energy efficiency. Laminated glass windows. Targeted noise reduction. Another excellent option is laminated glass windows, which feature a special plastic layer between 2 panes of glass. This layer absorbs sound vibrations, making these windows especially effective at blocking out unwanted noise. High STC ratings. Laminated glass can dramatically reduce sounds from traffic, construction, and neighbors. Safety. The interlayer also makes the glass shatter-resistant, adding security. UV protection. Laminated glass helps block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture and flooring from fading. Laminated glass is a popular choice for Clermont homeowners in high-activity neighborhoods who want a quieter home without sacrificing natural light. Frame materials and installation matter. Noise reduction doesn't depend on glass alone. The window frame and installation process also play crucial roles. Vinyl or composite frames. These materials insulate better than aluminum, preventing sound transfer. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't block noise if installed improperly. Gaps or poor sealing can allow sound to leak through. Working with experienced installers in Clermont ensures your windows perform as intended. Where to prioritize noise-reducing windows. If you're not ready to replace every window, focus on the rooms where quiet matters most. Bedrooms, for better sleep. Home offices, to improve focus and productivity. Living areas, to create a more relaxing environment. Targeting these spaces can make a noticeable difference without replacing every window at once. Final thoughts for homeowners in Clermont. Noise-reducing windows are a smart investment in comfort, privacy, and quality of life. Whether you choose double-pane, triple-pane, or laminated glass windows, Upgrading your windows can transform your home into a quieter retreat. Pairing the right glass with insulated frames and professional installation ensures you'll enjoy lasting peace, lower energy bills, and added home value. If neighborhood noise is disrupting your comfort, it may be time to explore noise-reducing window options tailored to Clermont's lifestyle. The right choice will let you enjoy the vibrancy of your community while keeping your home a sanctuary of calm.